So every time you can consciously choose to rest in uncertainty without frantically trying to force clarity, without rushing to fill the space with busy work or premature decisions, without demanding answers right now.
You are strengthening a vital capacity, like an alignment muscle.
Exactly. You're demonstrating trust in the process. You're holding space for the magic.
Now we get to what might be the most powerful tool for actively co-creating and accelerating this necessary reorganization process.
Yes, the technique we're calling the rebuild visualization. And it's crucial to understand this isn't just passive daydreaming or wishful thinking.
This is a deep, deliberate reprogramming exercise. It works directly with your nervous system and your energy field to help smooth the transition.
We really need to understand the fundamental function here. It's about consciously providing your body, your subconscious mind, your entire energetic system with a clear template of the new desired reality.
By doing that, we help bypass the amygdala's fear-based resistance to change.
And we accelerate the process of energetic and eventually physical reorganization. We're giving the universe clearer instructions, energetically speaking.
So for the next several minutes, we really invite you to actively engage with this. Find a spot where you can be still. Maybe close your eyes if that feels right for you.
Find a spot where you can be still for just a few minutes. Release the expectation of having to figure things out right now. Just be present.
If you're sitting, feel the surface beneath you holding your weight. Really notice that support. If you're standing, notice the quiet, supportive push of the ground against your feet. Feel that connection. Now take one slow, deep inhale through your nose. Allow your shoulders to relax slightly as you fill your lungs.
Hold that breath for a quiet beat. Just pause. Now exhale fully through your mouth. Imagine you are releasing static, releasing mental noise, tension, and the need to control the outcome. Let it go.
Now picture yourself standing at the threshold of a place you know well. Maybe it's your home, your studio, your workspace. Just bring that image to mind.
Real change requires clearing the foundation first. So notice how the air feels charged in this space now. Different. The walls, the familiar objects, those old patterns, they're beginning to shimmer at the edges, like heat rising off pavement on a hot day.
With each breath you take, the scenery starts to loosen. Paint flakes off. Furniture begins to fade. The floorboards under your feet might hum with a gentle vibration. Feel that shift.
Realize this isn't destruction, it's transformation. The structure you built on an outdated frequency is gently dissolving, molecule by molecule. This is necessary clearance, making space.
Let yourself breathe through the necessary unease that might arise. Allow it to pass through you. Don't hold on to it.
Whisper inside your mind, I am safe in the change. Feel that safety.
Now, as the old world melts away, a soft golden light begins to pulse from your heart center. It's warm and steady, expanding outward in gentle waves.
Watch as each pulse replaces what's falling away with pure possibility, new architecture forming from energy and your intention.
Look down in your mind's eye. Where rubble once was, roots of light are now spreading through the ground, weaving a new foundation. A foundation of clarity, trust, and alignment. Your alignment?
As the dissolution settles, we move to creation. Not as some fixed destiny, but as the accumulated result of small, aligned choices you make right now.
Exactly. So now, imagine the space ahead of you opening up, like a horizon after a storm has passed. The air smells clean, alive, fresh.
In the distance, you can see faint outlines appearing. Structures, opportunities, connections, still translucent, not yet fully physical. They represent the next iteration of your life, waiting for your intentional energy to solidify them.
Take another deep, expansive breath in through your nose. And on your inhale, gather the feeling of everything you truly desire. Not the specific objects, but the essence, the feeling of it. Peace, creative flow, love, stability, freedom. Gather that feeling.
Hold that breath in your chest for just a moment. Feel how expansive that possibility is within you. Now, as you exhale slowly, send that powerful feeling outward into the forming landscape ahead. Watch as a golden mist fills those translucent outlines, giving them weight, shape, reality, infusing them with your intention.
You see the mist solidify. It bends and forms pathways. New friendships perhaps, new projects, new habits, everything aligning to your higher rhythm, to that feeling you just consciously sent out.
You begin to step forward. Each footfall lands on solid light that becomes ground beneath you. There's no need to rush this. Move at your own pace.
Every step is a declaration. I trust this process. Feel that trust with each step.
Notice the pulse of the universe seeming to sync with your own heartbeat, a gentle rhythm.
Ahead, a new doorway materializes. It's luminous, carved from the same golden energy that's flowing through you and around you.
Recognize that this door leads to alignment. It leads to the next iteration of your life that already exists in energy, waiting for you.
When you feel ready, reach out for the handle of this golden door.
As your hand touches it, feel a wave of calm move through your whole body, a sense of arrival.
Now step through.
You're standing now in the new version of your world. Notice how the light here feels different, perhaps richer, more alive.
Sense the future you've been calling in all along. Not someday, not if, but here, now.
Look around this new space. Notice what's present. Maybe the people who match your frequency, the work that feels like true purpose, the sense of ease that hums through everything.
Let your senses record this moment. The temperature of the air, any faint sounds, the emotion sitting peacefully in your chest. This is your energetic signature of alignment. Remember this feeling. Anchor it.
Take another full breath now. As you inhale, think, I receive. As you exhale, think, I release what no longer fits.
Feel yourself rooted in this new vibration. You are the bridge between what was and what's becoming.
Now, when you're ready to return fully to your surroundings, imagine that entire new structure, that expansive feeling, gently condensing. See it condensing into a small, steady, warm glow right at your heart center.
This light stays with you. It's portable alignment. It serves as your internal compass, no matter what unfolds next in your day or week.
Take a final moment to anchor that quiet knowing within you. Allow your mind to slowly transition back toward analytical thought, gently.
Start to bring your awareness back to the room around you. Notice the sounds nearby, the light behind your eyelids, the temperature of the air on your skin.
Maybe wiggle your fingers, your toes. Gently bring movement back.
And as you open your eyes whenever you're ready, carry this quiet knowing with you. Nothing is falling apart. Everything is rearranging for your highest good. You're not rebuilding from scratch. You're rebuilding from truth.